Hello, today I show you how to make the best, the most fluffiest pancakes you can imagine. You will need 2 mixing bowls and will have to separate the egg whites from the yolks. Therefore, you put the whole egg into a small bowl and lift the yolk out of the white. You add a pinch of sea salt and beat the egg whites to stiff peaks. I always start beating the egg whites, otherwise you will have to clean the wrists or have to take new ones. Now you add the milk to the egg yolk and blend until it starts getting creamy and foamy. You add the colza oil as well as the spelt flour and the oat flour. For pancakes, it is not necessary to strain it through a sieve. And if you really want to be sure that the pancake is rising, you add a knife tip of baking powder. Everything is blended in until you have a nice mixture, which after that has to be blended into the egg white foam. Therefore, the cream is poured over the egg whites. You want to put out ready a dough scraper. No sugar is added to the batter. On the lowest speed, you blend everything together. Take care not to overmix, otherwise the structure of the egg white foam will break. The last flakes are blended in with a spatula. This procedure I played back in real time. It all happens very fast. The pancake batter is ready to bake. You heat a pan and add the colza oil. It is hot enough when a drop of batter is sizzling in the oil. You add the batter. After 1 minute you reduce the heat to low and under a lid you let it simmer for around 7 to 8 minutes depending on the size of your pan. After a while you can check how well the batter has cooked already. For turning without splattering, you let the half-baked pancake glide on a plate, cover it with a pan and turn everything determined and stout-hearted. Voila! On the second side I let it bake for additional 5 minutes after having added some more oil. I turned it again. This time you can flip it and put some butter on it for refinement. And ready you are. You let the pancake glide on a plate, which has been preheated, of course, and that was it. Put some maple syrup on top. The pancake was really extremely soft and fluffy. Accompanied by a cafe latte, it was scarfed down in a jiffy. It can easily compete with any oven-ready batter. I hope you liked my tutorial. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. Ingredients and amounts you will find in the description below. Have fun cooking, see you soon und guten Appetit!